Are you looking for the best hot plate? In this video we will look at some of the best hot plate on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Elite Gourmet ESB301BF. The Elite Gourmet ESB301BF is a versatile and efficient cooking appliance designed for easy use and portability. Its 6.4-inch cast iron flat cooking plate boasts a non-stick surface, making it a breeze to clean with just a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. The adjustable temperature control feature allows you to quickly reach and maintain your desired heat settings, whether you need low, medium, or high temperatures for various cooking tasks such as keeping food warm or boiling water. Safety is a priority with the built-in power indicator light on the front of the burner, reminding users when the appliance is powered on. The non-skid feet ensure stability during use, providing a secure cooking experience. Its compact size makes it a convenient option for on-the-go cooking needs, whether you're at school, the office, on camping trips, or at home. With a power output of 1000 watts, this hot plate delivers efficient heat for all your cooking requirements, making it a reliable and practical addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 2. Cuisinart CB-30P1. The Cuisinart CB-30P1 is a powerhouse in the kitchen with its heavy-duty cast iron plate and a robust 1300-watt large plate. It offers versatile cooking options with a 6-setting adjustable temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune the heat from low to the highest setting. The user-friendly design includes ready and on indicator lights for easy monitoring of the cooking process. One standout feature is its coil-less cooking surface, making cleanup a breeze. The absence of coils not only simplifies maintenance but also enhances the overall aesthetics of the unit. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during use, adding an extra layer of safety to your cooking experience. Number 3. Cuisinart Countertop. The Cuisinart Countertop is a robust and reliable cooking appliance designed to elevate your culinary experience. With 2 heavy-duty cast iron plates, durability is a key feature, ensuring a long-lasting cooking companion. Boasting a powerful 1800 watts of power, this countertop unit heats up quickly and retains heat consistently throughout the cooking cycle. The primary burner offers 1300 watts, while the secondary burner provides an additional 500 watts, giving you versatile cooking options. Equipped with 2 separate 6-setting adjustable temperature controls, precision in cooking is at your fingertips. The ready and safety on indicator lights add convenience and safety to your cooking process. Independent adjustable thermostats with on and ready indicator lights offer further control and visibility. Number 4. Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop is a convenient and efficient kitchen appliance that offers both temperature and power modes for versatile cooking. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to handle and store, making it suitable for various settings such as dorm rooms, home kitchens, backyard cooking, RVs, and boats. With 15 preset power levels ranging from 200 watts to 1800 watts and 15 temperature level settings from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, this induction burner provides flexibility for different cooking needs. It boasts a high efficiency rating of 83%, outperforming traditional gas or electric stoves while ensuring quick heat up and faster cooking times. Number 5. Cusimax Hot Plate. The Cusimax Hot Plate is a versatile and efficient cooking appliance designed to work with all types of cookware, including pots and pans with a maximum size of 7.9 inches. It is compatible with various materials such as glass, copper, frying pans, cast iron, and aluminium, ensuring efficient heating with minimal heat loss. One standout feature is its quick heat-up time, taking only a few seconds compared to traditional cast iron hot plates that can take up to 10 minutes. Powered by 120 volts and 1500 watts, the hot plate offers a power range from 100 watts to 1500 watts, allowing you to conveniently cook a variety of foods, from warm sauces and scrambled eggs to grilled cheese, soup, pasta, and vegetables.